Politricks watch. This is RP. Now, today I'm going to be talking about your favorite MP's brother, who them catch at the airport, trying to move 12 key, and I'm not talking about type of key they may use and open the door. Right. I'm also going to be talking about the type of visitor to Ireland that is actually in danger, because it is not your typical tourist. It is not Billy Joe or Gwyneth. It's actually born and raised Jamaicans who go foreign, go work or live, and then touch back Ireland. They go on your boat it. Before we go any further, I want to send a special Patreon radio shout out to none other than Gregory, as in Gregory Council, 3-year veteran of the Patreon squad. Today I'm special day. So Gregory, on behalf of myself and the entire Patreon squad, the whole movement, we are big up on your earth strong. So enjoy your day. Don't know Gardy, live life to the fullest, and big up your whole family as well, team. So Gregory, bless up. We could move into the video. You could have come from Africa, you could have come from Canada. Half blood. We could talk about Robert Chin. Robert Chin was caught at the Norman Mall International Airport. 12 key diet coke. Now, originally, the story was very hush-hush. It was very vague, A man who was related to an MP from somewhere round there, so come go up. Right. All kind of vague talk. Then at first we hear say the MP was Michael Phillips. And now, it's out there that the brother in question is Robert Chin. And as Michael Phillips said, he's half blood, so that is why the last name them kind of different. Right. This spooked the public interest because obviously Michael Phillips is a serving MP and he is the son of the former leader of the opposition. Now let me just say this. Me see people are getting them feelings and I say, what am I mention Michael for? What am I mention Michael for? After not him get, when me see people who say this are joking, I must do it from it because nobody can be that simple. If you hold political office, and your brother get catch with 12 key, you better make sure you start the key them with then use and open lock. Otherwise, it is public interest. If that's a problem, get out of politics and go do something else. If this concept bothers you, the fact that you're an MP or the Prime Minister or leader of opposition or a senator and your brother get catch with too much diet coke, it is public interest. When Joe Biden's son did get catch, getting high like a kite with a lady of the night, the headline said Joe Biden's son. And never him then catch. When Nancy Pelosi's husband did get catch with the DUI, driving under influence, the headline said Nancy Pelosi's husband. And never she them catch a drunk drive. However, it's public interest. Even when you apply for certain jobs in Ireland, you have to declare if you're related to politicians, as that link might give you an advantage or there might be some kind of conflict of interest. People might say they use their political links to get certain things done. So even the law acknowledges that who you are related to matters. So cut the crap and let's stop acting like we don't know why Michael Phillips is being mentioned. It's his brother. I could have quarter blood. Anyway, Robert Chin was going to the airport as me say with 12 key and diet coke. That show me say they have a big link inside. That's big boy link. Small time link put on boat. And take time go out at the sea and then gone. And hope the coast yard and catch her. Big boy links go straight through the airport. 116, just walk it through. Just like with the legal guns, there's a chain. The right people are feeling the link. So when the matic them reach a customs, the specific customs official need to search, quote unquote search, and then themselves find nothing, and then it go through. Same thing the man they must have a airport. Certain people need to look through and say, oh, we don't see nothing, go on ahead. Certain people look on the machine, them see something, but them not see nothing. And they say go on ahead. Nobody It's that stupid for pack 12 key, right, and try walk through an airport unless them know so them have some kind of links on the inside. But something went wrong that day. Who knows? Maybe it was a part of a bigger sting operation. We don't know yet. Right. But the bad now does alright. Throw 12 key in my suitcase. Go on the airport, yeah, man. Not even Simon that do that. Right. It's a big boy link, so I talk about 116. Even in the days of rifle and them, man, right? People used to swallow the little pellet them. In them body, people are dead when tiny pellet bust inside of them. Right. Nobody never that walk through the airport in a 12 key. Right. Better swallow that and hope say not dead. 12 key? Big boy thing, man. You see, Robert Chin is interesting. He's a Rasta man who a dibble and dabble with dead coke. But he isn't the first or the last. Your favorite Spartan got caught twice, and he's now a justice of the peace. You can't make this up. Imagine going to do some kind of business and them give one farmer and say, carry this to a JP. We want to see that you are not involved in any kind of criminal activities, right? So carry this to a JP, and the JP where you carry to, right, is a twice convicted druggist. Sit me and show no Iron Man, Steve. Flipper Mafia, or, well, Flipper Muggler, right, and your favorite Spartan, right, get caught up in the same game. I talk about the smugglers game. But when it comes down to Flipper, right, Jamaican say, I deported that, I deported boy that. But when it comes down to Ice Rat, right, them say, well, nobody's perfect. Give them a third chance. We have to give people a chance to, start over again, and we need to look into, and you need to, them start playing mental gymnastics. Jamaicans not itch to laugh at a Flipper and call him deported boy. Right. But when them see Ice Rat, them call him sir. Excuse me, sir. Sir, you're a JP, you can stand this to me, sir? And the two man them in the same game. Right across the board. Exact same. But Jamaican classism elevates one and defecates on the other. You see, your career and title make people treat you accordingly. Right. Them invite the Spartan to them fancy dinner galas. But them no want Flipper within a 10-mile radius of them pet chihuahua. Come here, honey, be careful, that's Flipper, he's a convicted junkie, you need to be careful of him. Come, honey, stay over here, honey, don't get too close to him. Unicorn said the world no level. At least Flipper was an honest man. I never once see Flipper pretend to be any kind of woke to this. Unlike such man, who is now masquerading as a human rights activist. I rather the tiger who show him stripes than the one who dress up like a house cat. But that's just me. It's not what you know, but who you know. It's not what you did, but who you did it to. So I'm saying all this to say, Robert Chin will be fine. Just like with your favorite Spartan is fine, regardless of what him do. And the same thing for Robert Chin. He'll be fine. Probably soon get bail, go out in business. Especially considering the fact that in Iron Man, Diet Coke isn't taken as seriously. If our Uncle Sam placed them holding with 12 key, hell and powder house. Remember, Iron Man's a place so we see plane crash. And then a 3-day story. We see big Diet Coke fine. At the Ian Fleming Airport. And a half-a-day story. So, if Robert Chin ended up getting a kind of serious sentence behind this, I'd be very surprised. Them type of case, right? Man just get bail and then he just fizzle out into nothing. You have to ask, what go on? Diet Coke? You'll be surprised to know some of the people that were involved in the game. I'm telling you about 116 already. Big boy level, above the 90. The 116 is at all the fancy dinners, the fancy parties them don't put out flyers for. You know them party there? The ones that are so exclusive them don't advertise it. Right, word them out. You have to get a special invitation. That's where you find your favorite 116. Anyway, for the video end, I've said it ad nauseum. Tourists are fine. Billy Joe and Gwyneth are fine. Right. UK, Canada, America, wherever. Right. Family just book them holiday, go Ironman, right. Enjoy the beach, enjoy the jerry chicken. No clans, no one order. No dunce thugs. Right. No unknown, no GCT, no hunt no tourists. Them now look for no tourists to kill. Right. Anytime you see tourists get caught up in a crime in Jamaica, something. Them touch on the island and get themselves caught up in something where them not get caught up in. Or them bring something from another country, right, and it play out in the Ironman, as you saw with Sean Patterson. That is why word of mouth spread back and people realize say Ironman is a safe place for tourists. But there is a type of visitor that have to be careful. That is the Jamaican, that is the Ironman or Ironwoman who left Jamaica, go foreign, spend some time and then touch back on the island. That's the visitor we need to worry about. That's who people pre. Billy Joe can put on in backpack, in shorts and t-shirt, put in camera on him neck and walk 14 parishes and about no trouble. But you see, Carlton, right, who left in community, Ironman, got foreign and come back, as him touch back into the place. Somebody are pre him for some foolishness. When he go back to him old community, right, enough time people are look for things to hate him for. They might look for something. All if in the day, they might look for it. They come up with all kind of crazy things like, yo, yesterday I see the boy Carlton, you know, right, and him only say morning. He not say good morning, you know, he only say morning. So that's true, he say, through the boy got find the boy thinks him better than me. And I said the boy thinks say, watch me on him, man. Some crazy things, right? If nothing like that, they will invent it. Them say, it's you the one, Patsy she, right? Me see her and you want to see her too, right? So, you want to see how she look on me, and the person that look at him now, you know. You want to see her look on me like she thinks she better than look on dirty Patsy where she sleep down the road on look a dirty bed, so she got a foreign thing. I want to tell you that girl there, alright, watch me on her. Alright, you say, do something for me now. Carlton do it 1 time, do it 2 times, do it 3 times, then Carlton go say he can't do it the 4th time. Gun them start Ital up. The Jamaican who go foreign and touch back Ironman is the visitor who they need to fret about, not Billy Joe and Gwyneth. Maybelline, who left Ironman, go work a foreign. Sometimes she do all 3 work a foreign. Sometimes she do work a foreign which should even do in an Ironman. Do 3-4 work, save her money, touch back at Ironman, start build one little place. That's who we need to fret for. Billy Joe and Gwyneth is fine. If they weren't, Ironman would not be a leading tourist destination. Find me that it's either being ignorant or they're purposely trying to twist the narrative to make it sound like say, you know, people once tourists in Jamaica they're in danger. That don't add up. Right. That don't add up. Tourists love Jamaica like cook food. Foreigners love Jamaica like cook food. Celebrities can't wait to touch Ironman. The Jamaicans who are afraid to go up on the plane or the Jamaicans who are born and grow Ironman. And then people are free. There must enough people left Ironman go foreign and make them leave. Because unfortunately, Jamaicans have to be co-signed by foreigners to be taken seriously by Jamaicans. As I say, if you tell them 2 + 2 = 4, them doubt it. But if Billy Joe tell them say, yo, Carlton, no 2 + 2, right, then them say, right, it. In bright, you see? Right, because if Billy Joe co-signing, then he must bright. Even though I call 10 and tell them 2 plus 2. Come up a kill for you. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, no life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.